Hi, welcome to the world of astrology. Today we will understand the consequences of planet Ketu in third house of a birth chart. Here you find whenever Ketu placed in a third house, it gives some kind of problem to maintain their relationship. These people having problem with their relative, especially relatives which is who is connected with the point of a neighbor. It can be a any kind of relative, right? So these people used to having impediments to maintain the relationship with the relatives along with the neighbor also. Very less neighbor people attached by these people, or they may maintain, because Ketu gives the breakable tendency. It gives the breaks in relationship also when it placed in third house. It shows these people may find that the neighbors who is living in their near to their house, there must be any priest, any priest can be live over there, any astrologer can be live over there, any high rated or high profile personality can be live near to these people house. It can be that any spiritual person or meditator or any kind of meditation center near to their house. It can be any railway station can be near to these people house when Ketu is in a third house. You find these people are very good critics people, means these people can find somebody's default very quickly, and they can analyst. You can say these people are very good analyst of positive and negative things about any event, about anything. They can memorize, they can write down the points. They have a special type of tendency to get the very accurate positive and negative things about somebody's life, about somebody's. They can be a good lawyer also. These people may have issues regarding health whenever they used to travel for the long journey, not for a short journey. Whenever they travel for the long journey, they can be suffered through the vomiting, they can be suffered through the stomach problem. It can be a infection in a stomach, any kind of things can be there. These people should very aware that whenever they are speaking with somebody, especially whenever they are outside the house, they are on a traveling, they are on a road, they are in a social culture, they are connecting with their neighbors, they should keep their words very concerned, and they should think before speak. Otherwise they can drag into the court case also due to their straightforwardness of speech. This can be happen in a third house. You find these people may have marriage related problem, especially breaks in marriage or break in engagement. It can be break in you can delay in marriage, or a delay in relationship with the husband or with the wife. For example, if they get married, after that the relationship between between wife and husband, it can be maintained after 4 years or 5 years of marriage, means they will get attached after a 4 or 5 years of a marriage, because this Ketu will not make them connected very deeply after just marriage, because it gives their breakable tendency results here. Ketu in third house, you find these people having a very a very good voice, or you can say a very good speech to give the leadership speech towards the mass media, towards the mass of people. Means these people can become a good gurus who can tell the stories, tell about the scriptures, tell about our religions things. I mean, very spiritual things they can tell, and they can become a very good predictor also. They can be any astrologer, they can be any meditator, they can be any healer. And this placement of Ketu gives very good knowledge of spirituality to the native, and these people can become a very good predictor also. Ketu in third house itself shows that native work cannot be done in first time. Means whenever he go for the any work, it will repeat at least 2 times. It will not happen in a single way in a one time, because this house is about your courage. Ketu used to break your courage. Ketu used to give the break to complete your courage work. You find these people having problem in their life to prepare something for any event. For suppose, if they have some guest at house, somebody wants to come in their house and they have invited somebody, suppose. So if they will start preparing for them, so in the last moment, when the guest is on the doorstep and they are just clicking the bell, till that time they may have problem to prepare the whole scenario for their guest, because Ketu gave lot of delay. It gives lot of breaks in preparation. So the third house is about your preparation also, but Ketu in third house, I would advise these people a single remedy: always having a pen inside your pocket, or keep your pen on up top of your pocket. It is the ultimate remedy for people who's having Ketu in third house, and it gives a very fruitful result to the native. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, then share it, subscribe it. Thank you so much. Namaste.